Howdy to all my regular subscribers, and hello to all the new people that are going to be popping in to see what I found today. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Todd, the Flippin' Hustler, and you guys are not going to believe what I found. I found the Cboys new shop. I can't believe it. I know it's them because of all the burnouts out here, and I'm not going to say where this is at, but I was out garage sailing looking for more product, and I found the Cboys place. So how crazy is this? I knocked on the door. Let's go over here and knock on this door and see if anybody's home. That would be super cool. That would be super cool. Let's knock. We don't want to bug them, but if they have 32 seconds to just chat, that would be cool. Doo-doo-doo. Wow, I'm super excited. This is cool. Nice focus. Got a raptor over there. Yeah. Well, I guess the guys aren't here today. It's the weekend, so they're probably out playing on the jet skis and jumping creeks and stuff, but I found it, guys. I found the Cboys new shop, and I'm just... So at this point I met Ken. I thought I was recording. He said hi to the camera and the whole shebang. Talked to him for a minute, and then I said, all right, bro, I don't want to take up your time, and I rolled. I thought I was recording, but no, I wasn't recording. But I did peel out as I left, so here it is. Woohoo! I had to do that. So I'm kind of bummed out that my camera wasn't recording when I got to meet Ken, but that's the way it goes. Yeah, so I found the Cboys shop. Super excited. Cool dude. Nice shop. Peace.